Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm Gary, and today what we're going to do is we're going to have a shish kebab.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
I'm going to turn on the burner to high just to make sure we've got a nice good boil going for our squash. And then I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes. So now we've set the timer for 5 minutes, and it'll cook the squash just slightly so that it's tender when we put it on the skewers for the actual shish kebab.
Oh, it's time already! Don't forget to turn off your power, your gas. Okay, what's next? So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to do the vegan shish kebabs. Alright, so we're going to take one skewer and we're going to put a potato on it. See how it just slides easily? Then we're going to put a mushroom, nice big beefy one for me. And we're going to put a tomato through it. And kind of play with it. And we're going to put one onion right down the center. And we're going to use one squash. This one is a zucchini. And we're going to put a pepper. These were grown in my garden. And we're going to put on the other side to hold it in place, we're going to put another potato. So this one has got a red potato on one end and the Yukon Gold potato on the other end.
So the nice thing about shish kebabs is you can customize them for whatever your person happens to like. Enjoy putting different things on your skewer and customizing them. Some people don't like peppers, some people don't like mushrooms, whatever it is. You just customize it to whatever your people like to eat.
So now you've seen how Linda and I do it. You should do it yourself. Your own vegetables, your backyard vegetables, your farmer brother's vegetables, your garden vegetables. So what we do is we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.